Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Alivi Cunzati a Muscu, which is dressed olives Angelo Musco style. Angelo Musco was an actor from Catania, born in 1872 and died in 1937 in Milan, but they're not really sure, like from what I read, what the connection is between him and these dressed olives. These are the ingredients needed for the dressed olives Angelo Musco style. I'm using the empty jar from the olives to mix everything up. With the olives drained and back in the jar, I'm just gonna cut the garlic into some large chunks and add it to the jar. And then I'm also gonna add these wild fennel seeds while I'm at it. Now I'm gonna peel half of the zest off of the orange and the lemon and then chop them up into small pieces. I'm also chopping the lemon so I can use half of it for the juice. And last, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And now you just shake it up with the lid on the jar and then put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours to let it all marinate. These are the olives after marinating for about 2 days. Ended up taking a little longer just because I got busy. And now it's time to try these lovely olives. They do have pits in them. So I would say the main flavor is still the olive, but you get nice hints of like mostly the lemon citrus, and then you get like the fennel. I use the wild fennel seeds, as I said before, so it's like a pretty strong fennel flavor. And then the olive oil is actually a pretty prominent flavor as well. Thank you for joining me in this journey to make Angelo Musco olives. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.